Morning one of our cow elk hunt. Stepped out, re-glassed real quick. We're in a nice little area. Didn't see anything, it was still a little dark. Started putting stuff in the truck to move to our hunting spot. Anyway, glassed again. There was some elk out there, about 350 yards.
Still a little dark.
Anyway, they moved up into the trees, up onto the hill, so we're gonna keep moving. So we got some elk. I'd say about 600, 700 yards away, coming up this 2-track here. So we're gonna see if we can close the distance. So we got on these cows that we've been looking at, and we found 2 cows that are down low still, not up on the side of the hill. Over there on that hillside. So they went behind the group of trees, so we're gonna wait a minute and see what comes out. We first ranged them at about 380, 400. We were able to close the distance using trees. The wind is not great right now. Right this minute it's doing okay, it's going that way. Okay.
309 yards.
Yeah, shot my first cow elk with the rifle. Prone laying right here.
That was a good shot, man. She buckled as soon as it hit. And then she went about 20 yards and weebled. Yeah.
I saw her go down.
Wow.
Thank you, Lord.
I know, that was cool.
Super cool. All right, elk down.
Wow, that was exciting.
Elk down.
We got out here, it's about, what, 8 o'clock right now?
It's about 8 o'clock, yeah.
Saw quite a few of them all over the place. And these 2 were hanging out the longest. We were able to use the trees.
Yes.
Right,
one shot, 1 kill.
Yeah, that's how you usually do it.
With that rifle,
Yep.
I'm 4 for 4. Kind of bummed the hunt's over, but.
Well, we don't have to go home.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Got an elk down.
That was quick.
Yeah, shot her about 8 o'clock this morning, so, well, about 10 minutes ago.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank the Lord. Very cool. Cool. Lots of meat.
Yeah, lots of meat. I tell you what. It's going to take a little bit of time getting it off of her. These first light clothes really work. Keep you warm.
So we went back to camp, changed, and we're going to get to work. Be on my back.
Yeah. Yep. Finally get a chance to use the backpack, and you gotta carry it.
You get to carry it to the truck. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun, it's been real. That was the first time we ever quartered an elk.
Yeah.
So we can do it, anybody can do it. Watch some YouTube videos. That was heavy. I'm out of shape. Got it done first morning, opening morning.
Yep. Good job.
Yep.